and welcome to LearnCity. My name is Praise, and in today's class, we will be doing some revision of work done in statistics. And today we'll be talking about tabular presentation of data. Tabular presentation of data. So first things first, we'll be defining frequency table. Now, frequency table consists of 3 columns. The first column contains each of the events given in the data, and the second column contains the tally. The third column contains the number of times an event occurs. Frequency for grouped data. The frequency table consists of class interval, tally, and frequency. Now, what am I trying to say? That frequency table generally has 3 different columns. We have column 1, column 2, and column 3, where the first column contains the events given in our given data, where we've been given a particular data, and the first column is the event of the given data. Now, the second column is our tally column, where it is the tally of the events given in the first data, and the third column is the number of times the event occurs. Now, moving to cumulative frequency table. The cumulative frequency of a particular class is gotten by adding the frequency of the particular class to the frequencies of the class before it. Therefore, the cumulative frequency table is the table that shows the cumulative frequency of each of the classes. What are we trying to say is that where we have a particular frequency, where you add the frequency of the previous class before the next with the next class, that is called a cumulative frequency, thereby adding everything together to get the total cumulative frequency. Now, grouped data. When the number of entries in a given data is large, there is need to group the data. In grouping any numerical data, the following statistics parameters are examined. Now, the first one is class interval. Class interval is the number of groups that a particular data is classified. Each interval contains equal units of the data. Now, class limits. The last numbers in the class interval are called class limits. For instance, if in the interval 18 to 20, 18 and 20 are called the class limit, where 18 is the lower class limit and 20 is the upper class limit. Now, class mark. This is the midpoint of any class interval. It is got by adding the lower and the upper limits together and dividing the result by 2, or basically of any class interval. Like now, when we have an interval of 18 to 20, we have 18, 19, 20. Our interval will be 19, as it is the mid number of the class interval. And today we solve an example on this. Now it says the record below shows the score obtained by some students in a math test. Prepare a frequency table for the data above. So we have these scores as the student scores in a math test. 12, 15, 20, 25, 30, 20, 30, 15, 12, 12. We have 15, 12, 25, 12, 20, 12. We have 20, we have 12, we have 15, we have 25, we have 12 again, 15, 12, 15, 12, 15, 20, 12, 15, 25, 30, 25, 15, 30, 20, 15, 25, 30, 15, 12, 12, 15, 12, 15, 12, 30, we have 20, we have 20, we have 12, and we have 15. So these are the scores of the students in the maths test. So now we have to prepare a frequency table. Now we say that a frequency table usually have 3 different columns where we have the scores, the tally, or the scores, which is the events in the given data, which are the scores, the tally, and the frequency itself. So our table, we have scores, we have tally, and we have frequency. Now, for the scores here, when we look at what are the general scores we have 12, we have 15, we have 20, we have 25, and we have 30. Now, for 12, how many 12 do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 16, 12. So we start 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 16. Now for 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. We have 14. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 14. Now, for 20, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 for 20. Now for 25, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 for 25. We have 6. And for 30, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 for 30. So adding this together, we have 20 here, and we have another 20, which is 40 in total. So this is 16 plus 14 is 30. We have 38 plus 12. We have 50 students in total. So we have 50 students in total for this. And this brings us to the end of our class. on tabular representation of data, where in our class, where in the next class, we also continue further on our frequency table and cumulative frequency table. And I'll be seeing you in the next class. Thank you.